Hi, I'm Nick James for About.com, and this is what email etiquette is. I'll be using information found on About.com's career planning guide site. Email has become a part of everyone's daily life, especially in the office you work in, but you write emails much differently to coworkers than you would to your friends. Here are some email etiquette tips you should always keep in mind when writing an email. The first rule is to make sure you have an appropriate name. Your name says a lot about who you are, and you want to be professional. Avoid nicknames and pet names. People who don't know you may not understand them. Most professionals use some variation of their name. For example, if your name is John Smith, you want to use J. Smith or John S. The second rule is just as obvious as the first. Proofread all your emails before you hit the send button. Make sure there are no glaring mistakes or grammatical errors. Go over your email thoroughly and correct any of these mistakes. As far as grammar goes, try to be conversational. Contractions are okay, but avoid using slang, and in no circumstances should you use offensive language. Do not use shorthands like lol or capital U for you or PLZ for please. Your supervisor will find it very unprofessional. For example, if you're asking a question, do not phrase it like, "Can you please help me with the shipping?" Make sure you write everything out. "Can you please help me with the shipping?" It's much more appropriate. Next, you always want to be concise in your emails. Your boss gets a lot of emails and doesn't have time to go through them all. Make sure you get to the point of your emails as quick as you can. Ask any necessary questions, but be concise. One of the toughest things to master with emails is setting the tone. Tone is very difficult to set when you're just writing and not talking. Never use caps lock, as it may come off like you're yelling. Always start off emails with a warm greeting. For example, "Hi John, hope you're well." This makes for a nice polite tone in your email. It goes that extra step that is needed in emails since displaying mood and tone are so important. Finally, always mind your manners when sending emails to coworkers. Use please and thank you often. It goes a long way. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and if you use these tips, your office email etiquette will be second to none. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please find us on the web at About.com.